5 foods that you should never feed to your dog. Hi, I'm Dr. Rox TV. You can call me Doc Rox, and I am your veterinarian. Number 1, chocolate. Tandaan nyo, the darker and more bitter the chocolate, the more poisonous it is. Dahil yung chocolate, it contains theobromine, it can cause severe diarrhea, vomiting, cardiac issues, can lead to death. Pangalawa, corn on a cob. Kapag nalunok nilang buo yung cob. Dahil ang cob can easily attach to the intestinal wall that can lead to obstruction or pagbabara sa kanilang bituka. The only way para lang matanggal yan is through surgery. Pangatlo, grapes and raisins. May reported case na nakakain ng grapes, nagkaroon ng severe vomiting, severe diarrhea, acute kidney failure. Pang-apat ay ang onions and garlic. Meron siyang compound called N-propyl disulfide ang pwedeng mag-cause ng anemia at red blood cell damage by damaging the hemoglobin, ang responsible na magdala ng oxygen to other cells ng body. Number 5, xylitol. Ito ang pinaka-dangerous na pwede nyong maibigay sa inyong alaga. Ang xylitol, makikita yan sa gums, sa candies, and even sa mga cake na no sugar added. This ingredient na kahit konti lang ma-ingest ng inyong alaga, it can cause liver problem, seizures, hypoglycemia, and worst scenario, death. Be vigilant. Hindi lahat ng pagkain ng pangtao ay safe sa inyong fur baby. If you suspect na nakakain or nabigyan nyo accidentally ng mga bawal na pagkain ng inyong alaga, please bring them immediately at the nearest veterinary clinic.